Have you ever wondered why some search algorithms are better than others? It can be confusing, especially when you're trying to optimize your code. Today we're diving into a common question. Why can't we use binary search and jump search instead of linear search? I totally get it. It seems logical to want to use binary search, especially since it has a time complexity of log n, while linear search is n. You're not alone in this thought. Many programmers have asked the same question. Let's set the stage. One user recently asked, why can't we use binary search and jump search? They were curious about the last step of jump search, which involves linear search. Sound familiar? If you're puzzled too, let's explore this together. So why can't we just swap in binary search? The key lies in how jump search operates. Jump search divides the array into blocks and jumps ahead, but it still needs to find the exact position within the block. This is where linear search comes in. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to choose the right search algorithm for your needs. To understand why binary search cannot be used in the last step of jump search, we first need to clarify how jump search operates. Jump search divides the array into blocks and jumps ahead by a fixed number of steps. Once the user locates the block where the target element may exist, they need to perform a search within that block. This is where linear search comes into play. The reason binary search cannot be used here is that binary search requires the entire array to be sorted and accessible in a way that allows for direct indexing. However, jump search only guarantees that the block is sorted, not the entire array. Additionally, jump search is designed to minimize the number of comparisons by skipping ahead, making linear search a practical choice for the small block size. The overhead of setting up binary search would not provide significant benefits. In summary, while binary search is efficient for sorted arrays, its requirements and overhead make it unsuitable for the final step of jump search, where linear search is more effective. Fun fact: the concept of jump search was introduced in the 1950s. It's amazing how these algorithms have stood the test of time. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that jump search is preferred over binary search when jumping back is costly. They point out that replacing the linear search in jump search would not be effective, as it would negate the advantages of the jump search method. Here's the tip I promised. When choosing a search algorithm, consider the size of your data and the type of search you need. Sometimes, a combination of methods can yield the best results. And there you have it. Now you understand why binary search isn't used in jump search. Remember, choosing the right algorithm can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more insights.